You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from my expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded marginally lower on Monday after dovish talk from Federal Reserve officials pushed back expectations of when the Fed might raise interest rates. The greenback ended at 1.3708 to the euro and 101.48 to the yen. Today's data includes more commentary from Fed spokesman and Jude Lee, who will be talking on the economy and monetary policy. Next, to the euro. The euro gained on Monday after the head of Bundesbank argued that the recent fall in the cost of borrowing for most countries in the eurozone would offset the high exchange rate, helping to stimulate the growth. The comments were seen as reducing the chance of the ECB easing policy at the June meeting. The single currency ended at 1.3708 to the dollar and 139.12 to the yen. Today's data includes German producer prices in May, which are expected to rise slightly to negative 0.8% year-on-year in April. British pound. The pound fell Monday on investor fears that the BOE rate meeting minutes might echo the dovish tone of the recent inflation report, pushing back further expectation of when the BOE might hike the interest rates. Sterling ended the day 1.6812 to the dollar and 0.8152 to the euro. Today's data includes CPI, which is expected to rise a basis point to 1.7% in April. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Monday, boosted by safety flows as a result of geopolitical tensions and because of falling US Treasury yields. The Japanese currency ended the day 101.48 to the dollar and 170.61 to the pound. Today's data includes the trade balance, which is expected to show narrowing of deficit to negative 646 billion yen in April. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from expert of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.368 with targets at 1.375 and 1.3775 in extension. Below 1.368, which will look for further downside with 1.3645 and 1.362 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6078 with targets at 1.684 and 1.6875 in extension. Below 1.6078, which will look for further downside with 1.6076 and 1.6073 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 101.53 with targets at 101.7 and 101.9 in extension. Below 101.05, which will look for further downside with 100.75 and 100.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chang, and you're watching Markets4you. Have a great day.